right, now this lesson is about how to prep soft shell crabs for cooking. We're not going to be cooking them, we're just prepping them for cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is take a pair of kitchen shears, kitchen scissors, and we're going to snip off this area right here where the eyes are. That's the mouth, face area, and the eyes. We're going to just snip that off, okay, and discard that, all right? Then we want to pull this piece off here. This is the apron, okay? These are females, so the apron is kind of large. On males, it's smaller. And you can either pull it off or snip it off, okay? Then you want to lift up the shell and remove these right here. These are the, I call these the lungs. I grew up in Chesapeake Bay country in Maryland. We always called them lungs. Some people call them gills, okay? And you just want to scrape those away, get rid of those, and do that on both sides by lifting up the shell, lifting up the soft shell, and scraping away those gills or lungs, okay? Then, if you want to, you can remove the innards. And to do that, just make an incision, lift the shell up here, make an incision. You don't want to cut the shell away, you want it to stay on, right? So you just want to make enough of an incision that you can take a spoon and reach in there and get out the innards, which, you know, we called it the mustard and fat when I was growing up. I don't know what it really is. And so it's the inner part that's between the two sides that have the meat in them, okay? But like I said, you do not have to remove the innards. I am doing it because I'm showing you that you can and how to do it, but you don't have to do it. Okay, then you just put the shell back where it was, and if the most soft shell crabs have been frozen, okay, that means they have a lot of moisture. If you think that they are too wet, then what you want to do is you want to blot them a bit. Get rid of some of that excess moisture. Press it out of there, okay? You don't want them to be totally dry because we're going to be dredging them in a potato starch, and we want the potato starch to stick. But if you think that they're really wet, just blot away and squeeze away some of that excess moisture. Okay, these are kind of wet actually. So we want them to be able to saute without steaming, get some crispiness. So we want to get rid of some of that excess moisture. Okay, so by doing that, your soft shell crabs are ready to cook. Like I said, we're not cooking them in this lesson. I have some other lessons on soft shell crabs. I have the soft shell crab a la Michel, and that's in my Impress Your Date series. I also have the soft shell crab BLT lesson, which is also in my Impress Your Date series. So you can see photos of those dishes on my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.